Ever wondered if your body could heal itself? No surgery, no long recovery? What if broken bones, torn ligaments, or worn joints could regenerate? Enter stem cells, the body's raw materials that can transform into bone, cartilage, or muscle. In orthopedics, they're revolutionizing treatment by repairing damaged tissue naturally. Doctors extract stem cells from your own body, process them, and inject them into the injured area. The result? Reduced pain, faster healing, and no need for invasive surgery. Benefits? It's minimally invasive, promotes real healing, improves mobility, and carries a low risk of rejection, pain reduction. Stem cell therapy is helping treat osteoarthritis, ligament tears, fractures, spinal disc issues, even avascular necrosis. Orthopedic care is changing, and you can be a part of it. If you're tired of living with pain or avoiding surgery, contact Global Stem Cell Care for expert guidance and personalized treatment.